Hello traders, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. This is a daily Forex forecast and technical analysis for gold, US dollar and Euro US dollar as well. Before starting the session, I would like to say very special thanks to all of you who gave me a very good feedback in the comment section down below as well as on my WhatsApp number. If you keep following me, definitely you will be making nice and decent trading decisions. So right here euro US dollar is at 1.07269 right here, as you can see. And yesterday even I have discussed that there was a very nice trend line we had right here that was broken, and after that whenever the market breaks a trend line, just like in this case right here, when it break, it take a retest and it come back down. I was looking for another retest since last night. I did not get that, and the market continue down. So right here, if we see this particular zone, euro US dollar is still trading in this support zone right here. And as you can see, this support area has almost started, and even the price entered into this zone right here. So let's have a look at it on the H4, and on the H4 we have to find several levels. I have to study this level, and I have to find out that from which level the previous trend was broken. So I will be highlighting that broken level as well, and then we will see that how it reflect on the daily time frame. If you see, it is very nicely respected by the price. If I show you right here, you can clearly see double bottom right here, the first touch right here. When it was broken, we have got a retest of it, we have got a retest of it, we have got a retest of it. So no doubt this whole was the previous trend we had, which was broken on this retest, and then the ABCD, the retest, the 61.8, the another retest, and after that the market fell down. So let's also have a look at some of the levels, and right here let's see this on the daily. First of all, on the daily, this is the one that I draw on the H4. Let me change its color so that it can be nicely visible. A very nice trade opportunity. It was 193 pips, and obviously the market came down, took another retest of this trend line, and then it also came back down and entered in this whole buy zone right here. So I will be discussing this today. First of all, whenever I see such a market, what I usually do, most of you know, is I take Fibonacci from top to bottom, and if I plot it right here, if we see that on the H4 right here, on the H4, yes, it started to consolidate right here, it started to consolidate right here. And at the moment, first of all, I will mark this Fibonacci area, which comes right here to the broken level of the Fibonacci, which I just have discussed. 61.8% retracement, 1.10570, but it will not be blind. Stay with me, I will be discussing it. I hope you have got this concept of the broken trend, and this trend, if it continue, definitely will be pointing towards 1.10570. so let's see that right here, what it gives us in the future for tomorrow, specifically the day trading and the intraday trading opportunity. There is one level, obviously I have this one. Even from last night I was waiting for it, that okay, if it gives us a correction at 1.08560, it can become a very nice sell area for us, maybe a sell area or a take profit area from there. Now if the market take a bounce from there, most of the traders will be looking for sell opportunities right here, usually because now it will be a resistance zone, and at a resistance zone what we usually do is we take sell opportunities. There was one other thing explained yesterday, and that was this trend line. Now remember everyone, if unless price is trading below this trend line, just have a look at it, the initial start of it, and the first touch, and then the second, and obviously a very nice trend. It is holding the market very nicely. Even it rejects right here as well. So it is so much possible the market will go back up there and will take a retest of it and then will continue back down. This is the day trading perspective I am explaining. If it gives me a breakout just like yesterday, I said I will be looking for this correction, and upon this correction and retest, I will be then looking for 1.10570 as a resistance zone. This whole area will become a very nice resistance zone with us. So this is the euro US dollar, and there was one thing I have already mentioned, that there was a nice ABCD pattern, and let's see if that has completed or not. Exactly, it might not be completed, but still there is a little bit of room left right here. So if the market start to drop, definitely upon this breakout retest, if you can catch this sell trade towards 1.06259, that can also become a very nice trade opportunity towards 1.08812 and 1.08426 right here. So let's see how overall this euro US dollar market gives us and how much profit it gives us. So let's see in the future. This is a very nice analysis right here. So now let's move on to the, if you have any questions right here, please do ask me in the comment section down below, because if you don't ask me questions, I think you will not exactly understand, and if you have some problems, so you can ask me any question if you have in the comment section down below. You can also contact me on the WhatsApp number that is shown on the screen for premium services, and the premium services will be different than anyone else. I will be working personally with all of you, and those who become my clients, I will personally train you on Zoom, and we will be connected on WhatsApp. So it will have a little bit of charges as well, and don't mind those charges, because I am giving you one-on-one time to all of you. Move on to the gold US dollar right here, and quickly I want to discuss it. Dropped on the news as well. This drop, remember on the daily time frame right here, yesterday what I said is on the daily it took a rejection from right here, and on the daily time frame it is clearly pointing towards this ABCD pattern. The ABCD pattern will complete near 1857, approximately this zone. If we see, this is a very nice zone right here, but I'm not saying it is doing it overnight, but still we have to keep this in mind, that this can be a possibility, and even these sellers can be stopped near 1885, somewhere that zone. But if it drops this much, then 1857 will be very easy for it. On the H4, if we see last night what I said, this was a very nice level with me, and clearly I mentioned when price was right here, I was looking for let me do it this way. When price was right here, I have clearly said this is now going to bounce off. It did, and where did it stop? 1947, that was also discussed. So what after that, definitely if I grab Fibonacci and drag and drop it to the top, right here you can exactly see 61.8% retracement near 1911 1910. So yesterday's video forecast, you can also refer to that as well for understanding of the analysis very nicely. Also this area, I definitely will be looking for some potential rejection. If this rejection has not happened, then definitely I will be looking for a retest, a breakout retest, and then we'll be looking down towards 1895, and after that a breakout retest and directly 1857. Let me write it down. My pen's tablet is not working very nicely. So anyways, this is now coming into this area of support, and usually at support what we do, we look for buy opportunities. Let's have a look at it on the M15, and then I will be winding up the session. Right here on the M15, there is a very nice sell opportunity, and that sell opportunity will start all the way from 61.8% retracement right here at a price level of 1938. That is resistance 1. Some levels I'm going to delete from right here, even from right here, and even from right here. This breakout occurred, retest, and then a very nice drop of 130 pips. Congratulations if you made this much profits. Now on the M15, if I exactly show you, obviously last time I have discussed that if this trend line is broken, retest, you can take a sell trade. So congratulations for the sell trade if you have got it. I didn't get a chance, so I didn't trade it. Right here, if I specifically show you, and this trend line, if you see, I will be showing you the yesterday's plan. I have clearly mentioned that this is going to be a trend line, and this is going to be a triangle with me. Now let me quickly show you the previous plan, and let me brief you a little bit about it. This is the yesterday's plan right here, and it dropped, and this is completely in the buy zone. So let's see what it gives us. 1911 or 1904 or 1857, time will decide it. Make sure to use your proper strategies, and then you will be able to make such profits very nicely, very easily, and with the passage of time you will be becoming profitable. But believe me everyone, if you are always in a rush, you will not be making good profits. You see, I made profits from right here, then I become a seller from there. Personally, I did not took this sell opportunity. Why? Because I have to give one move to the market. Well, according to the strategy, I could trade it, but it depends on the trader, if the trader can follow it two directions or not. Well, yes, I will definitely become a seller, but I will need something on the basis of which I should rely, and I should say that okay, now I'm a seller. So this trend line till this support 1904, 1911 will be playing around, and then it will be bouncing off. Make sure intraday traders to play very safely. And this M15 plan, this makes very nice sense from 1938, but there is one problem, and the problem is there are a lot of levels. So without a strong news, I don't think so it will be happening. Let's see what it gives us tomorrow. 1930 I'm looking for, to the bottom side I'm looking for 1904 and even 1885. But market technically should take a bounce off from right here. Obviously whenever I trade, I look for confirmations and all of that stuff, but the most thing that matters to me a lot is my analysis, my levels. And very nicely, even if this 1922.39 yesterday was discussed, and even it gave 82 pips of profit, so congratulations for that if you took that sell trade. So at the sell and the buy, all of the trades I give you on regular basis, and you are making profits of it, you are giving me comments. And those of you unfortunately who cannot make it consistently, please do contact me. You need to learn this particular strategy. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. I will see you next time. Till then, take care of yourself, leave a like, and bye bye.